The next thing they did is even crazier. Instead of cleaning water, they created new water. And this is a true story. They sent planes all the way to the clouds and released salt in the air. You know, they have a lot of it. Because of the salt, the clouds grow bigger and bigger, and eventually they rain fresh water into the country. This is called cloud seeding, and in 2017, they did it almost every single day. And when that water falls to the ground, they catch it. All the rainwater they collect here by building a huge dam. And this fresh water is what keeps the people alive. I don't think people appreciate this enough. But this water is fresh water, it's rainwater, that was supposed to go to the ocean and become salty. But they caught it before it went to the ocean in the middle of a dam, and they made this lake. But most importantly, you can drink this water.
So can creation of artificial rain help? This is a controversial technology that is not fully understood. The Ministry of Earth Sciences has launched a massive experiment in Maharashtra to understand the business of cloud seeding. NDTV science editor Pallav Bagla flew in the special small plane assessing the science of creating artificial rain.
In the normally drought-hit rain shadow regions of Marathwada and Vidarbha, these clouds are pregnant with moisture but lack the ability to rain. It is here that creation of artificial rain can help. Scientists are working hard to decipher under what conditions could cloud seeding be conducted.
This experiment is about the science of cloud seeding. See, after seeding clouds, whether it makes rain or not, it is a very controversial subject. So we need to have evidence for this, first of all, and we need to know how much of rain it can make, under what conditions.
2 special planes have been hired. One will seed the clouds with a special formulation of benign chemicals like calcium and potassium chloride fired into the clouds using flares. The second plane is a flying laboratory which will analyze the outcome of these experiments.
These are the hygroscopic flares that we'll be using on this project, and they will be burned at the base of the cloud, and the chemical will be drawn up into the cloud, and then we'll fly through the cloud and measure them.
States like Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh spend crores of rupees on cloud seeding, but the outcomes are not always clear. So what is cloud seeding, and is it cost effective? Cloud seeding is the art and science of creating artificial rain. Many times rain-bearing clouds lack particles on which raindrops adhere. Through cloud seeding, special particles are artificially injected into monsoon clouds. Each operational cloud seeding flight costs about 10 lakh rupees. Sometimes rain can occur after cloud seeding. In the next 2 years, the central government will spend about 100 crore rupees to develop a standard operating protocol for cloud seeding and try to settle the efficacy of this expensive technology. We are flying 3,000 meters above the ground in this very special plane, which is equipped to do studies on artificial rain and cloud seeding. An adventurous and romantic experiment by India to make sure that we understand the monsoon and to understand cloud seeding. Somewhere airborne over Maharashtra, Pallav Bagla for NDTV.